Earth is beautiful, but because of human activities, deforestation, garbage everywhere, pollution, we are slowly killing the earth. And now, we are the one who's suffering.
Industry and manufacturing, the factories and facilities that produce our goods are significant source of greenhouse gases. Most industrial emissions come from production of a small set of carbon-intensive products include basic chemicals, iron and steel, cement and concrete aluminum, glass and paper, to manufacture the building blocks of our infrastructure and the vast array of products demanded by the consumer. Producers must burn through massive amounts of energy.
Every change of weather feels like Earth has surrendered.
Every tree that are cut contributes Earth to slowly stop.
Every garbage improperly thrown away is getting somewhere day by day.
Every breath I take feels like getting closer to grief. It's now or never. We must act now or regret it later.
Be part of the solution, not the pollution. Let's save the earth before it's too late. Our climate is changing. Why aren't we? Start now.
Be the stone of hope, make a difference.
Think, act, and live wisely.
Let us move forward with purpose and hope. To stop climate change and protect our beautiful home, together can make the difference. Earth is a beautiful place to live.